Today I'm going to make a pan-seared, pan-fried, hot honey tofu. Don't make a face, don't turn away. If any recipe is going to change your mind about tofu, this is going to be the one. So let me get started and I'll tell you about it as we go along. So I have here a block of extra firm tofu. I've drained it out of its package and I'm going to cut it into 8 slices. Easiest way for me is to go down the middle and then kind of gauge from there. So I'm getting approximately 8 even slices. I want to make sure that the slices are even so that everybody gets an equal distribution of the crunchy stuff that's going to go with it. And then while I'm doing everything else, I'm going to put this on some paper towel and kind of let it drain. Move this over just a little. This. There's my 8 slices. And they're pretty well evenly sliced. Excellent. Whoa, don't want to lose my egg. And I'm going to put some paper towel on top and let that go to work. Let it just kind of drain a little bit, get all the extra moisture off of it. Now we're going to make a dredge. And this is just some milk and an egg. I'm going to crack my egg in there. And I just got off work, so you're going to see how quick and easy this is going to go. Toss that. And then whatever milk you want, buttermilk works great in here. I'm lactose intolerant, so I usually go for alternative milks, and I really like coconut milk for this. It's got a great creamy texture, creamy. Then just kind of whisk it up with a fork. Going to add a pinch of salt into this, and also just a little grind of pepper. And that's my liquid, all ready to go. And then here I have panko. Panko is that crispy, crunchy Japanese breadcrumb. I really like this for anything I'm going to coat because it gives you the most wonderful crunch on your finished product. And so to this, I'm going to add a pinch of salt. It's about a teaspoon. Then I want a teaspoon of chili powder. This is about a cup of panko. And just a little hint of smoked paprika. I love the smoky flavor that this gives to anything. And then I'll just use my spoon and I'll mix it up a little bit too. Very nice. So the dredge is ready to go. Let me organize a little bit. And we'll move on to the next step. You see how quick and easy this is. I am not a huge fan of tofu. It has to be very interesting for me, and I think this is. And even my husband, who is a tofu poo-pooer, loves this dish. It's really funny. The first time I fed it to him, I thought, oh, surely he's going to, no thanks. Not a big fan. He wanted more. That says something for a guy that does not eat tofu to want a second portion. And I think it might be something about the hot honey that you put on this that makes it really special. So here we go with the dredge. And I have another pan here. You can skip this step if you want. I'm trying to make some space. However, putting it on a pan like this just helps it kind of dry and air so that when you do saute it, I've got my pan ready to go in a minute back here, that it will be as crisp as possible. You're allowing the air to kind of flow through as you're finishing all this up. So I'm going to try to be unmessy with this, but good luck with that. I'm going to put it first in my liquid dredge. I'm going to move it here so you can see better. And then into my breadcrumbs, panko, that I have seasoned very well. I'm coating these with the panko. As you can see, I want to get a really nice crispy crust on these, and then just set them here. So you kind of get the hang of it. Yeah, so much for me not making a mess. All right, almost on the home stretch. And man, our family goes nuts for this. My eldest daughter, who's with us right now, or sorry, youngest daughter, she does totally plant-based. So this is a fabulous recipe for her. And for those of us that are moderately plant-based like me, I love plant-based recipes. I like to eat that way predominantly. A little bit of meat, but not a lot. This is fabulous. All right. I'm gonna go clean up and then we'll get on to the next step. Okay, so here we go to the rest of this. Super easy. I have a pan here that I'm preheating, a little bit of olive oil. I don't want a lot of oil, I just want enough to kind of coat the pan. This is a non-stick pan, so we're gonna be fine. And then I just start putting these babies in. You can hear them sizzle. I just want to brown them on each side. I have one here that I kind of messed up, tore it in half, but it's gonna be fine. And I got a big pan because I want to make sure that I can fit all these pieces in here. You can fry in 2 batches, it's fine. I'm just for as quick and easy as possible. That's gonna be perfect. All right, here we go. All right, so for the hot honey part, you can buy hot honey. And when I first did this, I didn't have hot honey on hand. So I'm like, well, what do I have that's hot? I had a lot of different things. I came up with just your basic chili paste, like the Asian chili paste that looks like that. I've got a very healthy tablespoon in here. And then honey. Honey. That's all it takes. And probably for this block of tofu, depending on how much hot honey your eaters like, this should do. That's probably about a 1/4 cup of honey. So this looks like that. So good. Yum. Okay, and then I just need to go over here and see how this is doing. I don't think it's quite time to turn them yet, but we're gonna check. Yeah, they need a few more minutes. So we'll give them a flip in a little bit, let them cook on the other side, and then we serve it up with a drizzle of this hot honey, and let me tell you, it is amazing. For those that don't like tofu, please give this a try. This might change your mind entirely. Not that you will like every tofu dish, but you will like this one. The crisp and the hot honey on that just makes it amazingly delicious. Hard to resist. All right, I think we're about good here. I'm gonna turn off my heat. And then, as you can see, this wonderfulness here, I'm going to select my piece. Whoops, get my plate ready. And like so, a little drizzle of the hot honey over it. Oh man. All right, I want a little bit more. It's so good. Oh yeah. So you can see, this is really delicious stuff. See if it's too hot. We'll see. I did take too big of a bite. This is so good. It's creamy on the inside because it's tofu. It's crispy on the outside because of the panko. And then that hot honey just sets it all off. So amazing. See how quick this was? I'm still in my work clothes. And serve this with a salad. I think it's a winner. Give it a try.